All right, so today we are doing lesson 65 in math, and that is divisor, dividend, and quotient. Division with two-digit answers, part 2. The first part of this lesson gives us the names for each part of the division problem. So the number that's being divided into the number, that's called the divisor. The number that's being divided is called the dividend. And the answer is called the quotient. So divisor, dividend, quotient. Okay? So what you can do, boys and girls, is write that down for in your math notebook, so you can just have that on hand. Okay? All right. So moving on to division with two-digit answers, part 2. Now what we're going to start seeing is bigger numbers with division. But don't let that scare you, okay? Many of you, pretty much all of you, are on top of it. You guys are golden with the steps for division. You guys have mastered it. You are feeling a lot more comfortable. So now this is the second part of division. Not yet remainders yet, but just another part, okay? So if I had the problem 234 divided by 3. Okay, let me just do my steps. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburger? Let's review again. Divide, multiply, subtract, check your work, bring down, and start over again, right? Okay, so when you have a problem like this with division, you want to take it digit by digit, the same exact way that we did with the other division problems. Okay, so digit by digit, 2. 2 divided by 3. Boys and girls, can 3 go into 2? No, it can't. So in this case, what you do is you use the next number over, and so now you use this as one whole number, just this right here. So 23. Now this becomes 23 divided by 3. Can 3 go into 23? How many times? 7. Great job. So when you use these two numbers as one number, when you write your answer, your quotient, you write it above the ones, okay, that you used. You wouldn't put it right here above the 2, because you used it as a 23. So then you write it right there above the 7. All right, so I just divided, now I multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Check my work. Can I bring anything down? Yes, I can bring my 4. So now I start over again. This problem is now saying 24 divided by 3. 3 can go into 24 how many times? Correct, 8. Put my 8 there. Multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract. 0. Okay. All right. Done. Just did it. But again, we need to double check, right? So 78 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. Does it match? Yes. So I got my answer correct. Again, what is this one called? Divisor. This one is the dividend. And what's the answer? Quotient. Excellent. Okay, let's do a couple of more before you practice, okay? All right, so 468 divided by 9. All right, same thing, digit by digit. 4 divided by 9. First of all, can 9 go into 4? No. So then I move over and use this as a whole, as a number, which would now turn into 46. So my new division problem, 46 divided by 9. 9 times what number gets you closest to 46 without going over? 5. Great. So where do I put my 5? Do I put my 5 up here or do I put my 5 above the 6? Right, above the 6. Good job. Put my 5 up there. All right, now I multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Check my work. Can I bring anything down? Yes, I can. I bring down my 8. Start over again. 18 divided by 9. That is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract 0. So let me check. 52 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 1 is 46. I did it. Okay. All right. So let's do one more just for good measure. Okay. And then I'm going to have you guys practice also. All right. 144 divided by 3. Take it digit by digit. 1 divided by 3. Can 3 go into 1? No. So then I go to the next digit, and now I'm using this as a whole number, which would be 14. So 14 divided by 3. Boys and girls, what would 3 go into 14 how many times? Yes, 4. All right. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract. The answer is 2. 4 minus 2. Now I check my work. Can I bring anything else down? Yes, I can. 24. Or, sorry, 4, and now it's 24. All right, so 24 divided by 3. 3 times what gets me closest to 24 without going over? Correct, that is 8. So multiply. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract 0. Now to check my work. 48 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. I got the right answer. Awesome. This is from your lesson practice. But let's go back in your math textbook. I think I might have skipped one. And that is, for example, 3 on page 305. It says, which of these numbers is a multiple of 9? Remember that you're going to add all those numbers and to see which one would be a multiple of 9. So if we did 123, that would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that's 6. The next one is 234. 2 plus 3 plus 4, that gives you 9. The next one is 345. 3 plus 4 plus 5. The answer is 12. So which one would be the multiple of 9? And that would be 234. All right, so boys and girls, what I want you to do is you are going to pause when I tell you to, and I want you to do practice from lesson practice, a letter E and letter H. Let's do letter E and H just to practice and see how you did, and then press play to see to follow along the steps. Okay, pause. All right, how'd you guys do? I'm sure you did wonderful. I know it can be a little tricky, but don't worry. Practice, right? Okay, 144 divided by 4. Digit by digit. Can 1 be divided by 4? No. So then I go to the next number, 14. Can 14 be divided by 4? Yes, it can. How many times? 3. No, not 3. Yes, sorry, 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Can I bring something down? Yes, I can. 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract is 0. Check my work. 36 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. All right, excellent. All right, let's do letter H. 455 divided by 7. Digit by digit. Can 7 go into 4? No. So then I need to use this number, which would be 45. 45 divided by 7, 6. Great job. Remember, you put the 6 right above here. Multiply. 7 times 6, 42. Subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next step, bring down the 5. 35 divided by 7, correct? That is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract 0. Check my work. 65 times 7, 35. Carry. So 42, 45. I know I went a little bit faster with that, but eventually you will be so on top of it with division, and you're going to just do this like that. Okay. So now what I want you to do is do lesson practice for lesson 65, A through J. And then we'll go over it as a class, okay? All right. Good luck, guys. You got this.